Oi! Yes, people. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is R. That is Ringo Vision. And today I am cooking lamb chops with some Mediterranean vegetables in the shopping centre. I was joking, man. We're cooking in the shopping centre. It's Christmas time, everyone's in the shopping centre, everyone needs a bit of food. Do you know what I'm saying? I've got some little Mediterranean vegetables.
So what you cooked today and that?
Lamb chops with Mediterranean vegetables.
People, you hear that? Hoi!
Oh,
Let them know say we're there.
We're there, man. Look, we've got a little tomato, a little red onion, eggplant, little Scotch bonnet, you know how the thing go. Yeah, and what we got? We've got some lamb chops.
I think we're in the shopping centre, so you might have to talk a bit louder.
Ah, hear you. No microphone, but look. Lovely lamb chop, look at that. Oh! Oh! Yeah, man, so we have lamb chops today, people. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to season it up today. Oh, it's going on. Oh, it's going off. There's a fight kicking off over there, people. Oh, gosh, man. Oh, gosh, man. Don't need it on a Tuesday, do we? You don't need it on a Tuesday, man. Oh, it's Wednesday. Listen, as long as they don't worry about us, because what we're doing is a little bit of food, we ain't causing no problems. You know what I'm saying? You got to give it some Ringo Vision seasoning. If you ain't got yours, get yours for Christmas. Christmas coming up. You know what I'm saying? You got to give it a little seasoning, Ringo. Do you know what I'm saying?
Nice one, M. I like that, you know.
Yeah.
We say lamb chops today, yeah?
Lamb chops.
Are good vibes, cooking inside the shopping centre. Me like that, you know.
Why not? But listen,
yeah.
I'll tell you something now, people, yeah? Ringo has got a absolute madness on his channel. So you see after this one, head over to his channel and see what he's up to. He's on a mad rod. It's even worse than mine, I'm going to be honest with you. Where the season? Wait. The season out there, people. Hold on, got a little bit stuck there. There we go.
Yeah, M. I like the vibes, man. A good vibes,
Yeah.
the vibration.
Winter
yeah, man.
vibration.
People, if you don't know and you ain't done it already, subscribe. All your toenails will fall off.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. But yeah, look. Basically.
So what we're gonna do with M? What you're gonna do? Left it in the foil paper, and we're just gonna go to our next location.
Yes, and we're gonna grill it with our little Mediterranean vegetables.
Inside of the shopping centre.
Inside the shopping centre, it's just kicked off because it's Wednesday.
Let them know say we're in our shopping centre. Come.
A serious thing. Lamb chops outside River Island. Or Toys or something. Sainsbury's. Wherever you want to go. Do you know what I mean? But we're here. We're cooking in the shopping centre. Lamb chop, Mediterranean thing. We're going to chuck a Scotch bonnet in there. Like I said, if you ain't got your seasoning, get it fast. It's Christmas, you know, Ringo.
A good vibes,
Yeah,
man.
so they have to get their hot sauce and their seasons and all these things. You know what I mean? Oh,
Yes, people, you don't know, say 24-hour kitchen, cook and vibes, Ringo Vision, M.R. With Deas of people, yeah. And yeah, it's the last of the season, people, the last of the year. So we have to come out and give you guys, yeah, man, at the top of the world with there, right? You know, people, yeah, outside. Oh.
You know, say Cook and Vibe this step on now.
Yeah, man, oi. So look at people, yeah.
Make sure you guys subscribe.
Make sure you go and subscribe and look at. You see, today, me and M. Yeah, I know a joke thing, you know.
They know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
they know what I'm doing, but they're wondering why are we up here? What are we doing up here, Ringo? They're wondering what we're doing up here.
We just cooked the real biggest dumpling up here.
Yo, them have to go look on it, man. Because I'll tell you the truth, people. The only reason you're seeing this little piece of footage, yes, man, is because Ringo's doing his episode up here. You get me? It's mad. He's there. It's all going on. Make sure you go and check out his episode. Boy.
get, mate?
People, we're in the shopping centre. Listen, the food's cooking. I got.
20 minutes later.
Oh, security's just everywhere, bro. Look, the food's cooking, people. Look, lovely lamb chops.
Someone's calling the lift.
Someone's calling the lift. Oh, someone's trying to get in the lift, people. Hold on. But look, the food's cooking. Look, have a look at the food.
Yes, people, you don't know. Look, we're there. Look.
Yeah, lamb chops. Look, man's all roasted. Some garlic, some tomato, some onion, little scotch bonnet, eggplant. Yeah. What we're gonna do? So we seasoned it in the shopping centre. We started cooking. It become a little bit pink.
Zero.
I think we need to go up again.
Door opening.
Let me go. Yeah. Man, did you see, man?
Security just passed. Sick. Yeah.
Everyone, have a look. Come on.
People, we are cooking. I'm not going to tell you where we are because we might get in trouble actually. But we're in the shopping centre.
Yeah, man. Are you a man?
So yeah,
let's go.
As you can see, you want to go?
Yeah, we want to go straight through there to the other side.
All right.
So what are you cooking?
Lamb chops, bit of eggplant, bit of garlic, nice and roasted red onion, little Mediterranean style. You know what I'm saying? But,
yes, people, you don't know. So we're there outside at 24-hour kitchen and cook on vibe, and we're there. The man don't want to talk too loud, no kind of want people to hear me, you know, but yeah, man, we're there, man.
but listen. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, it's madness. Let's move, man. Let's move. There we go. Meals on wheels. Hey, people.
So we seasoned it over there.
People. Oh, it's a lovely lamb chop. Oh, it's a lovely lamb chop.
Don't let me laugh, guys.
Seasoned well. Should we go season? Oh, it's a lovely bit of lamb, mate. That's a lovely bit of lamb, mate. Oh. Lamb. Oh. Oh. Sometimes you gotta do it in the shopping centre. I can't believe the police haven't been yet. I tell you the truth, but Ringo,
Yo,
a good bite.
a good bite.
Yeah, what on? How's it tasting?
This is in the kitchen. Active.
Aye, people, you've never seen it before.
10 out of 10.
Listen, but one thing, something, Ringo have a madness on his channel afterwards. Yeah, he's doing something special, so just go check out his channel afterwards. You know anything, go cooking in a shopping mall. Yeah. What yo, people? The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce is now available. Yes, $4.99. Get yours ASAP, quick. You can tag us and you can scan the code on the back, which takes you straight through to the Cook and Vibe channel. Yes, people, get yours now. The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce. Woyo! People, don't forget to press the like button, get that algorithm going. Don't forget to share, otherwise it's just unfair. And don't forget to subscribe, otherwise your fingernails are gonna go rusty. But we gotta get out of that, well. We've got to get out. It's getting a bit.
If you look can see me, yeah, man, I'm there, but look.
I would like to say thank you, Koidum, for the kitchen today. Meals on Wheels, Cook and Vibe. We're there with Ringo Vision. We got enough time to cook it. That's the main thing. But people, thank you. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you go to Ringo Vision. We're there. We're doing a madness. Meals on Wheels. Yeah. They think it's a joke. It's never been a joke. See you soon. Greetings. Tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Boy, people, welcome to the big up section. You don't know anything set. Do the right thing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please and thanks. And people, remember, if you're an artist, if you do music, get involved in Cook and Vibe FM. We're now going to be uploading music videos. We're soon going to be doing a cypher. I'll tell you more about that soon. But for now, we will be uploading music videos. If you've got a music video, maybe some audios as well, if they've got good artwork. You know what I'm saying? And if it's a good song. So get involved, people. Let me know quick and fast. Get involved in Cook and Vibe FM. I've just released a song, the first song on Cook and Vibe FM, a drum and bass track from myself. It's called Listen Clear. The link is in the description. Yeah, make sure you go check out Ringo Vision. His link is in the description. You get me? Today, another mad one. And we're going to be trying to do some more of these crazy ones because I know you lot like the crazy ones. Yeah, you've never seen it before. Cooking in the shopping centre. And make sure you go and see what Ringo Vision done as well, because he done a madness. Right, so this week's big up, people. Big up Aiden Kashi 6727 says, made my first rice and peas yesterday because of this channel. Excited to try this chicken recipe. Big up, my G. I love that, you know. Yeah, I love that he made his first rice and peas because of Cook and Vibe, you know what I'm saying? And he's regarding the video Jamaican fricassee chicken. Make sure you go check it out. Previous episode before Amsterdam. Yeah, so make sure you go check that out. You get me? Also, big up Patrick Mullen 5153. He says, thanks so much for the quick response, M. That place looks amazing. Hopefully I can check it out this spring. If it's not too much to ask, could you share a phone number? Thanks again, and much continuing success in your future project. Patrick, all right, what I'm going to do for you. White Shadow is a good friend of mine, okay? And he does tours. And even though he's a friend of mine, I actually paid him to take me on that tour because he knows certain places that we don't really know. Do you know what I'm saying? So the best thing to do is to contact White Shadow. His Instagram's right here, okay? If you don't use Instagram, Patrick, let me know and I'll get you another contact for White Shadow and he will sort out everything for you if you ever want to reach to these places. Anywhere you see on Cook and Vibe, anywhere I'll go, anything I'll do, if you ever need any help, just let me know in the comment section. You know what I mean? To get your big up, leave your comment in the comment section. You done know things that people. See you next time. Tell me how you feeling. We are Cook and Vibe. We are cool, the vibe, the Mr. Green. Tell me how you feeling. We are Cook and Vibe. We are cool.